Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Put it down on the bottom.
All right, if I can have everyone in South and Central, please rise and raise your right hands.
Stand up, raise your right hand.
Por favor, todos de pie y levanten la mano.
Raise your right hands.
Do you all swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? If so, please say I do.
Todos ustedes juran que dirán la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad. Si es así, digan sí, por favor.
Sí.
Yes, yes.
Be seated.
Pueden tomar asiento.
Do you know who her client is?
Not sure.
Where is she? Where'd she go?
I don't know. Her name is.
Our Creole interpreter, can you put your video back on?
I apologize, Your Honor.
It's
Can you see me
okay.
now?
No, I cannot. Oh, there we go. Do you know who you're here for?
Yes, Alexandra Jean-Francois.
All right, we can have Miss Francois, please.
Sandra Smith, Court Defender's Office.
Wait, let's find the defendant. Miss Francois.
Madame François. Est-ce qu'on peut apparaître, Madame François?
It's under Jean Francois.
Oui, Madame Jean-François.
And you are here charged with domestic violence battery.
Yo te chargé de violence domestique ou te frappé au monde?
Domestic violence simple assault.
C'est violence domestique, c'est une attaque simple.
Ms. Smith?
Yes, Your Honor. I do have a stipulation with the state regarding the domestic violence simple assault charge.
Oui, Madame Smith, moi j'ai une stipulation concernant de attaque simple.
That there would be no probable cause and she should be ROR'd on that one charge.
Pas gen vraiment cause probable et yo doit relâcher li sous propre connaissance li de charge ça.
I would point out that she and her sister were both charged with the same charges on each other.
Et m'ta remen pointer que li même avec seul là yo te chargé pour même charge là.
And their sisters.
Et pour deux sœurs yo,
An officer wrote down the report that he's unable to determine a primary aggressor.
que officier a te mette dans rapport li pas ka déterminer qui est-ce qui te pli agressif.
I would be asking either for ROR or straight pre-trial release, as I don't believe she has a prior record of either.
Donc m'a demandé pour yo relâcher li sous propre connaissance li et m'pa croire que li gen une histoire que li te gen charge avant ça.
Ma'am, do you have an attorney?
Madame, est-ce que vous avez un avocat?
No.
No.
Can you afford to hire one?
Est-ce que vous êtes capable d'employer propre pa ou?
Employé quoi?
To hire what?
To hire an attorney, and you need to speak up.
Pour employer propre avocat et vous avez besoin pour parler plus fort.
OK. Vous voulez moi pour un avocat?
You need me to get an attorney?
Ma'am, do you have the money to hire an attorney? That is the question.
Madame, est-ce que vous avez l'argent pour employer propre avocat? Ça, c'est question.
Oui.
Yes.
We will indicate you will hire your own attorney.
Nous pourrons indiquer que vous pourrez employer propre avocat.
Who owns the home that you and your sister live in?
Qui est-ce qui met caille ou même avec sœur habiter là-dedans?
Marim la ki met Kayla.
My husband is the owner.
So it's your home, yours and your husband's home?
Donc, c'est caillou ou t'es habité la caille mari ou?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, I do find probable cause for the charge.
Moi, je vois une cause probable pour charge là.
I am going to straight pretrial release you on this case on the domestic violence battery.
Moi, pral diriger que y aura relâché directement de charge que vous t'es attaqué au monde.
I'm going to find no probable cause on the assault and RORU on that count.
Mwen pral jwen pa gen cause probable nan charge sa et m'a relâché ou sous propre connaissance ou sous sa charge sa.
Conditions of pretrial release will be that you will contact pretrial services in person immediately upon your release.
Condition pour yo relâcher ou avant jugement, c'est que vous devez contacter service relâchement avant jugement en personne immédiatement après yo fin la guerre.
And you will call in every Monday.
Il faut qu'on relève chaque lundi.
You will not use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives.
Ou pas doit posséder ni porter aucun zam pour tirer, zam ak bal, ni couteau.
You will have no contact with the alleged victim in this case.
Et ou pas doit gen aucun contact avec victime qui nan ka sa.
You will stay 500 foot away from the victim, their home, vehicle, place of employment, and or school at all times.
Faut que ou rete 500 pieds de la caille victime nan, de machine ni, travail li, l'école li, tout les.
Any questions, ma'am?
Ou gen question, madame?
Oui.
Yes.
What is your question?
Qui question?
C'est comme ça que moi dois prendre avant m'aller, comme ça avant relâcher moi dois parler avec un monde comme ça, m'pa connaît si c'est avec avocat, m'pa connaît. Parce que si c'est là y a bon moi avocat.
Did you say that I need to speak with someone before I am released? Is someone here that I need to talk to, or an attorney, or what?
And you're going to talk with someone from pretrial release. They'll booking will tell you what you need to do.
Ou pral parler avec ou moun nan service que yo relâché moun nan, moun qui te arrêté ou là, yo pral di ou soit pour faire.
Right, thank you, ma'am. Your next court date will be May 12th at 9 o'clock.
Et l'autre date, madame, pour retourner dans le tribunal là, c'est 12 mai à 9h du matin.
Thank you.
Merci.
Madam Interpreter, will you raise your right hand? I'm going to swear you in backwards. Do you swear that what you've just testified to or interpreted was true and correct from English to Haitian, Haitian to English, or Creole to English, and English to Creole?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for being here.
Does her sister need an interpreter or not?
I believe she's Spanish. At least that's the information I got.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. For the rest of you, you are here today for your first appearance hearing. There are 4 purposes for first appearance and 4 purposes only. First, I will advise you of the criminal charge that has been brought against you. Secondly, I will ask if you have an attorney representing you. If you have an attorney if you have hired an attorney and they are present, they will speak on your behalf. If you have hired an attorney and they are not present, you will have the option of moving forward with your first appearance hearing today or postponing it until tomorrow. If you elect to postpone your first appearance and hearing until tomorrow, it is your responsibility to contact your attorney to let them know you will have court tomorrow. No one else will make that phone call for you. If you do not have an attorney, I will ask if you can afford to hire one. If you can, we will make note of that and move forward. If you cannot, I can appoint the Office of the Public Defender to represent you provisionally. There is an application that you must fill out for their services to continue. You have a right to have your attorney present with you before and during any questioning. Third, if there are any challenges to probable cause, I will
What up,
address
Katie?
those. And finally, I will review your bonds and or other release conditions with you to
What up,
determine
Patty?
if any changes are necessary to those. Be aware if this court places you on pretrial release today, regardless of whether it is straight pretrial release or a condition of
What
your
up, Chad?
bond, the conditions announced in court today go into effect immediately.
What up,
meaning
Heather?
even while you remain in custody. So if you have a no contact order, that means that is no
What up,
contact
Vicky?
while you
What
are
up,
in
Vanessa?
custody, as well as
What up, Sabrina?
as well as when you are released from jail. If you contact a victim from jail, that is a violation.
Hey, what up,
Throughout this
house?
entire process, you have a constitutional right to remain silent. If you choose not to remain silent, anything you say can be used against you. Everything that is being said where I am located, as well as where all of you are located, is being
What up,
recorded.
Katie?
There
What
is
up,
an
Russell?
assistant state attorney present listening to everything that is being said, so do not say anything about the crime itself. Please keep these rights in mind as we go through this process. Please step forward when your name is called. Ms. Hernandez, if you'll do the speech, please. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor. Good afternoon. For the record, Mónica de la Torre Hernández, State Certified Court Interpreter. Buenas tardes. Esta tarde es su audiencia de primera comparecencia. La audiencia de primera comparecencia tiene solamente 4 propósitos. Primero, les informaré sobre el cargo o los cargos que se han presentado en su contra. En segundo lugar, les preguntaré si ya les está representando un abogado. Si ya ha contratado un abogado y este se encuentra presente, entonces será el abogado quien hable por usted. Si su abogado no se encuentra presente, usted tendrá la opción de proceder con su audiencia de hoy o posponerla hasta mañana.
Looks like
Si
it was
usted
a
desea
slow
posponerla,
weekend.
será su
They don't got nobody in
responsabilidad
here.
contactar a su abogado para hacerle saber que tendrá una
There's
audiencia
only like 2
mañana.
ladies,
Nadie más hará esto
somebody
por
in a
usted.
wheelchair.
Si usted
if
desea
you will.
proceder sin que su abogado esté presente, puede hacerlo. Si usted no tiene abogado, le preguntaré si puede pagar uno. Si usted sí puede pagar uno, tomaremos nota de esto y procederemos. Si no puede y califica, el juez asignará provisionalmente la oficina del abogado de oficio para que
Yeah,
lo
Chad. Hey,
represente.
thank you for
En
asking. Yeah,
espera de que
it
usted
was
llene una
a good
solicitud
Easter.
para
Hopefully
estos
you had a good
servicios.
Easter also.
Usted tiene derecho a que un abogado esté presente antes y durante cualquier interrogatorio. Tercero, si hay alguna objeción en cuanto a motivo fundado, esta se abordará inmediatamente. Finalmente, voy a estar revisando sus fianzas y otras condiciones de liberación con usted para determinar si es necesaria cualquier modificación. Debe saber que si el juez lo pone hoy bajo libertad condicional, independientemente de si
Can
es
everybody hear the
directamente o
court?
como condición de su fianza,
If you
las
will.
condiciones que se anuncien hoy en esta audiencia
What
entrarán
up,
en efecto
Caitlin?
inmediatamente, aunque usted se encuentre encarcelado. Por ejemplo, si se le ordena no tener contacto con determinada
Hey,
persona
Trish, thank
y
you.
usted
Highly
llama a esa
appreciate you.
persona desde la cárcel antes de salir en libertad,
That's
usted
right,
estaría
House.
violando su libertad condicional. Durante todo este proceso, usted tiene el derecho constitucional de permanecer en silencio. Si decide no permanecer
What's
en
up,
silencio,
Chelsea?
todo lo que diga podrá ser usado en su contra. Todo lo que se diga donde yo me encuentro, así como también donde usted se encuentra, está siendo grabado. Hay un abogado de la Fiscalía presente escuchando todo lo que se dice, así que no diga usted nada sobre el delito en sí. Por favor, tenga presentes estos derechos durante el transcurso de este procedimiento. Favor de pasar al frente cuando se llame su nombre. Gracias. Thank you, Your Honor.
Gracias
Thank
a
you, Ms. Hernandez. I'll
ti.
get to the
You're
Spanish
welcome.
in just a moment. Ms. Schilling, your client is Shantinia Brown. Can we have Ms. Brown, please?
Miss Brown, come on down if
Approaching.
you will.
And will you be representing Ms. Brown throughout the course of the case or just? for
All right,
today?
Bingo's mom.
Course of the case, and we'll stipulate to probable cause. We'll waive the reading of the charge. I do have her
why?
husband on virtually. He's the victim in the case. He just wanted to tell the court that he wants contact, no violent contact.
He wants some more
if not, he
beatings?
wants to take testimony.
Mr. Brown, are you on the line, sir?
Mr. Lawrence.
Mr. what? Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence, are you on the line, sir?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
All right, can I see the PC? And sir, you are Jeremy Lawrence,
Yes, ma'am.
and you are
I'm
the
her-
alleged victim in this case.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's your position at this point that you would like to have contact with Ms. Brown?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Henry, any questions for Mr.
Hey, what up, Cha-Cha?
Lawrence?
No, Your Honor, and we would leave it within the discretion of the court.
Okay. All right, so I will find probable cause based upon the stipulation.
Your Honor, could I?
Mr. Lawrence, you don't need to say anything more. Mute, please.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Schilling will be representing Ms. Brown throughout the course of the case. I am going to straight pretrial release her in this case. Conditions will be that she will contact pretrial services in person immediately upon her release, and then she will call in every Monday. Ma'am, you will not use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. You'll be permitted contact with the alleged victim, but there is to be no violent contact. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, ma'am. Your
Yeah,
next
cool,
court date is going to be on May the 6th at 8:30, okay?
Can I ask a question?
Ms. Brown, just give me a call when you're released. I'll be calling your mom soon, okay?
You should be
you.
released this afternoon, ma'am, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Ms. Schilling. Have a good day. All right, can we have Jose Colon Melendez?
Por favor, pase al frente José Colón Meléndez.
Sir, you are here charged with driving while license suspended or revoked as a habitual traffic offender. Do you have an
Life.
attorney?
Señor, a usted se le acusa de manejar con licencia suspendida o revocada y de ser un reincidente, ofensor de tránsito. ¿Tiene usted un abogado?
No.
No.
Can you afford to hire one?
¿Usted cuenta con los medios para contratar uno?
No.
No.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charge.
Señor, le voy a nombrar a la oficina de abogados de oficio y encuentro que sí existe causa razonable para este cargo.
Your bond is set at $5,000.
Su fianza se fija en $5,000.
Your next court date
What up,
is
Jess?
May the 12th at 8:15, sir.
Su siguiente cita ante un juez será el 12 de mayo a las 8:15, señor.
Thank you, sir.
Gracias, señor.
Maximino Jimenez Gabriel.
El siguiente es Maximino Jiménez Gabriel.
Sir, you are here charged with no valid driver's license. Do you have an attorney?
Señor, usted se encuentra aquí porque se le acusa de no tener licencia válida de manejo. ¿Tiene usted un abogado?
No.
No.
Can you afford to hire one?
¿Cuenta con los medios para contratar uno?
No.
No.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charge.
Señor, le voy a nombrar a la oficina de abogados de oficio y encuentro que sí existe causa razonable para este cargo.
Your bond is set at $1,000 and your next court date is April 24th at 8:30.
Su fianza se fija en $1,000. Su siguiente cita ante un juez será el 24 de abril a las 8:30.
Sir, I do see that you are subject to an immigration hold or a detainer.
Señor, también veo aquí que usted está sujeto a una orden de detención por parte de inmigración.
Patrick, thank you.
I'm requesting the clerk to prepare that detainer for my signature today.
Y voy a pedirle a la escribana que prepare esa orden de
That little
retención
fella
para
ain't going nowhere.
firmarla el día de hoy.
You will be held no bond pending ICE retrieval.
Usted estará detenido sin fianza esperando a que ICE, inmigración, lo venga a recoger.
Thank you, sir.
Gracias, señor.
Juan Medina Contreras.
That's you?
Anderson County Defender's Office. I'm asking again for him to be released on his own recognizance.
Sandra Smith, de la Oficina de Abogados de Oficio, su señoría, estoy solicitando otra vez que se le libere bajo su propia promesa.
He had first appearances back on March 23rd.
Hey, what up, Trent?
Él tuvo primera comparecencia el 23 de marzo
with a bring back date of March 30th.
y lo volvieron a traer el 30 de marzo.
It was 7 days Orange County didn't come to get him.
Eso fue 7 días que el condado de Orange no vino a recogerlo.
Then Orange County got another 1-week extension to April, I believe 4th or April, or today actually, for Orange County to come get him.
Después de eso, al condado de Orange se le dio una extensión para venir
What up,
a
Damien?
recogerlo el 4, me parece, o de hecho,
What up,
el
Cali?
día de hoy, para que vinieran por él.
And, I mean, my understanding is since there is no warrant, they may not come to get him since this is a warrantless VOP situation.
Y como no existe una orden de arresto, tengo entendido que tal vez no vayan a venir por él, ya que esta es una situación de incumplimiento de probatoria sin una orden de arresto.
I would ask
Hang on,
again.
Ms. Smith. Hang on. Mr. Henry. I'm going to
Sir
ask you
Henry?
to send an email to classifications while we're sitting here now.
Yes, Judge.
Mientras
Ask them-
estamos aquí, le voy a pedir, señor Henry, que mande un correo electrónico a clasificaciones.
Ask them if they've had any contact with Orange County.
Pregúnteles si ellos han tenido algún contacto o comunicación con el condado de Orange.
Mr. Medina Contreras, please have a seat. We're going to recall your case, sir.
Señor Medina Contreras, por favor, tome asiento, lo vamos a volver a llamar.
This is live court, yeah.
Gracias, señor.
This is Polk County, Florida, in the state of
Luis
Florida.
Serrano Paredes. Sir, you are here charged with no valid driver's license. Do you have an attorney?
Señor, usted está aquí porque se le acusa de no tener licencia válida de manejo. ¿Tiene usted un abogado?
No.
No.
You afford to hire one.
¿Cuenta con los medios para pagar uno?
No.
No.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charge.
Voy a nombrarle a la oficina de abogados de oficio para que lo representen, señor, y encuentro que sí existe causa razonable para su arresto.
Your bond is set at $1,000, sir. Your next court date is April 24th at 8:30.
Su fianza se fija en $1,000 y su siguiente cita ante el juez será el 24 de abril a las 8:30.
Sir, I do see that you are subject to an immigration detainer.
Señor, aquí veo que hay una
What up,
orden
Bren?
de detención de inmigración en su nombre.
I am requesting the clerk of court to prepare that detainer for my signature today.
Voy a pedirle a la escribana que prepare una orden para que yo la firme el día de hoy.
You will be held no bond pending ICE retrieval.
Usted estará detenido sin fianza pendiente a que ICE, inmigración, venga por usted.
Thank you, sir.
Gracias, señor.
Crystal Yugire Caraballo.
Hey, this would be the last state.
Sanderson Flood Defender's Office. I
Bro,
didn't see any
you got the
record for him in
CO20s?
Florida.
Not only.
Oh, I didn't see any record for that name in Florida.
She's the
Sandra
other
Smith
party,
de la
the
oficina.
other one.
Not any
She's
CO20s.
the other party of the lady we just did. So I'm gonna straight pretrial release her as well.
This is a different.
Oh, wait,
Sandra
no, I'm
Smith de la
sorry, I'm
oficina
sorry.
de abogados de oficio. Yo no veo que ella tenga ningún récord aquí en la Florida, no tiene
Raven, thank you.
antecedentes. Ella es la otra parte de del caso que hicimos anteriormente. Voy a también liberarla bajo su propia promesa.
Scratch all that, Miss Hernandez. I'm incorrect.
Y me disculpo, me equivoco.
But I am gonna straight pretrial release him, or release her, Miss Smith.
Thank you.
Voy a dejarla en libertad condicional sin necesidad de pagar fianza.
Ma'am, you are here charged with domestic violence battery.
Se le acusa de violencia intrafamiliar con agresión física.
South?
Do you have an
Damn, that
attorney?
sucks.
¿Tiene usted un abogado?
No.
No.
You afford to hire one.
¿Cuenta con los medios para contratar uno?
No.
No.
Ma'am, I will appoint the office of the public defender.
Le voy a nombrar a la oficina de abogados de oficio.
I do find probable cause for your charge.
Encuentro que sí existe causa razonable para el cargo.
I am going to straight pretrial release you in this case.
La voy a dejar en libertad condicional sin necesidad de pagar fianza.
Conditions will include you contacting pretrial services in person immediately upon your release and then call in every Monday.
Las condiciones incluyen que inmediatamente después de usted ser liberada tiene que contactar en persona a la Oficina de Servicios de Libertad Condicional y después de eso tendrá que reportarse cada lunes.
You will not use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives.
Se le prohíbe poseer, usar o portar armas de fuego, armas blancas, cuchillos o munición.
You will have no contact with the alleged victim in this case.
What up, little?
Se le prohíbe tener cualquier tipo de contacto o comunicación con la supuesta víctima en este caso.
You will stay 500 foot away from
500
the victim,
foot?
their home, vehicle, place of employment. and
Isn't it
personal
500
at
feet?
all times.
Tendrá que permanecer alejada en todo momento por lo menos 500
What up,
pies de
Jessica?
distancia de la víctima, del hogar de la víctima, lugar de empleo o escuela en todo momento.
For the two of you living together,
¿Ustedes vivían juntas?
Sí.
Yes.
I will give you one opportunity within 48 hours of your release from custody to return to the residence with a law enforcement escort to retrieve your personal belongings.
Le voy a dar oportunidad a que dentro de las primeras 48 horas después de su liberación usted regrese a esa residencia acompañada de un oficial del orden público para recoger algunas pertenencias.
What up, Lacey?
Your next court date, ma'am, will be May 12th at 9 o'clock at the Winter Haven or Lake Alfred Courthouse.
Su siguiente cita ante un juez será el 12 de mayo a las 9 de la mañana, ya sea en el tribunal de Winter Haven o de Lake Alfred.
Thank you, ma'am.
Gracias, señorita.
Hernandez, can you stand by for the gentleman that we have at South County?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, do you want to make an announcement and see if we have anybody other than him?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Buenas tardes. ¿Hay alguna otra persona que necesite intérprete en español? Levanten la mano si es así. I do not see any
Seeing
hands
no one
raised.
else, we'll try to
No.
get an answer on that one very quickly, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hey, thank you for that daily heart.
You're welcome.
George Allen,
Hey, what up, G?
George
He was
Allen
gonna-
the second.
He was
Sorry.
combative, Your Honor. He refused.
All right, we'll add him to tomorrow. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
Nicholas
up next.
Blanco,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, you are,
Sanderson Flood Defender's Office. This is one of my probable cause challenges from yesterday.
oh, is that why he?
We have a couple of those in the docket today, Your Honor.
Okay, well, I was wondering why all the charges weren't there.
Well, we addressed all the charges yesterday. I had probable cause challenges on the petty theft, and the tampering charges.
Okay.
And I have not received, we've already been appointed to this. I have not received any report from the state.
All right. So I didn't see an amended affidavit as well.
No, Your Honor, the state does not have further information to provide the court. at this
EA
time.
Sports.
All
It's a
right.
game.
So, Mr. Blanco, you were previously appointed the Office of the Public Defender. The court does not find probable cause for the petty theft or the tampering. Now, that does not mean the charges go away. That just means that for purposes of first appearance, that you're going to be ROR'd on those 2 counts. The state can still pick them up with an information, okay? So you'll
Yes,
be
ma'am.
you'll be ROR'd on those 2 counts today. Your next court date will be on May the 12th at 8:15, sir, okay?
So does that mean I'm being released today?
Well, you have a bond on the other charge, so you have to post a bond on the other, I believe it was a giving false ID to law enforcement. So it's probably, I'm gonna guess and say it was $1,000 bond, so you still have to post bond on that,
Hey,
okay?
Harry, thank you.
I'm not sure
Gracias.
how I gave false ID to law enforcement if I'm
I
sitting
wasn't,
right here in
sir,
court.
sir, I wasn't here
What up, Cindy?
yesterday, but apparently Judge Williamson found PC for that yesterday, so, okay?
She don't care.
Thank you, sir.
I don't care.
All right, thank you.
This isn't the time to fight your case.
Oh, but it's the same date. Okay, well. So he'll get it when he books out, correct? Yeah.
I'm not sure, little. That's just what
Irvin
they do.
Seavey. Sir, you are here charged with possession of cannabis less than 20 grams, battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer without violence, domestic violence battery, possession of paraphernalia, resisting an officer with violence, possession of methamphetamine, introduction of contraband into a detention facility, and possession of paraphernalia. Do you have an attorney, sir?
No, ma'am.
Afford to hire one.
Of course not.
No, ma'am.
Come on now.
Sir, I will appoint the Office of the Public Defender. I do find probable cause for your charges. Your bonds are as follows. $1,000 on the possession of cannabis, $5,000 on the battery on law enforcement, $1,000 on the resisting without, $5,000 on the domestic violence battery, $1,000 on the paraphernalia, $1,000 on the resisting, or excuse me, $5,000 on the resisting with, $5,000 on the possession of methamphetamine, $1,000 on the introduction of contraband,
Smoke weed every day.
1,000 on the paraphernalia. If you
Damn.
do bond, sir, on the domestic violence battery charge, you will be on pretrial release. Conditions will include you contacting pretrial services in person upon your release, and then you will call in every Monday. You will not use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. You'll be permitted contact with the alleged victim,
Órale.
but there is to be no violent contact. You will be subjected to random urinalysis at your own self-pay. Your next court date, sir,
Hey,
is
no
going to be
face.
May
Thank
the
you.
12th at 8:15. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Timothy Vaughn.
Timothy.
Mr. Vaughn, you're here charged with manufacturing or possessing explosives and
What?
possession without a license.
Who does this guy
Do you
think
have
he
an
is? The
attorney?
Unabomber? Hey, what's up, yo, mama?
I'm on
See, answer my-
disability,
Okay, so you.
Your Honor.
So you
I'm
can't
on
afford,
disability.
sir, just answer my question. Do you have an attorney, yes or no?
That didn't stop him from building a pipe.
Can you afford to
B-O-M.
hire one?
B, if you will.
My mother would have to answer that question. I don't have, she handles all my money through Social Security.
All right, sir, I'm going to appoint the Office of the Public Defender to represent you, sir. I do find probable cause for your charges. State's position on bond?
Hey, good thing you didn't lose it, yo, mama, if
Your
you
Honor,
will.
This is an F2. We would ask that, we would be asking for, based on the facts of the case, bond no less than the amount of 25,000.
Ah,
And the
this
other
one ain't
one is
going
a- is
nowhere.
an M1.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Vaughn, on count one, the possession or manufacture of explosives,
MacGyver.
I'm going to set your bond at $25,000.
What up, Nisha? Where you
sir.
been at?
On the possession without a license, your bond will be set at $1,000. If you do bond, sir, you are going to be on pretrial release with a GPS monitor. You will not possess any weapons, firearms, ammunition, or knives. If I just do GPS, we can call in this.
Hey, that person in the wheelchair only has one leg.
Call in every Monday. You will obviously not possess any materials for the making or use of bombs. Any other pretrial release conditions?
No, Your Honor.
And what up,
Sir, your
Kimberly?
next
Where you
court
been
date will
at?
Be May the 12th at 8:15. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I have heard back from classifications on Medina Contreras, whenever the court wants to call that one.
Right. Ms. Hernandez, we're gonna.
What up, Hoover?
recall Juan Medina Contreras.
He thought he was the Una, B-O-M-B-E-R,
Yes,
if you
sir.
will.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Henry, sir, what have we heard?
I didn't see you,
Your Honor,
Kimberly.
Matthew Hendry on behalf of the state. It has been brought to my attention that Orange County has been notified via teletype both on March 23rd, 2026, as well as March 30th, 2026. So far, we have not received a response from them.
Señor Henry, ¿qué es lo que usted ha oído? Su señoría Matthew Henry de la Fiscalía se me ha informado que el condado de Orange ha sido notificado vía teletipo tanto el 23 de marzo
Teletipo.
como el 30 de marzo del 2026 y hasta ahora no hemos recibido ninguna respuesta de parte de ellos.
This is Polk County, Florida, if you
All right,
will.
sir,
Polk
based on that
County.
representation, the fact that you've been held now in our jail for 3 weeks or so.
3
I am
weeks.
gonna ROR you today.
Muy bien, señor. En base a esta información y el hecho de que usted ya lleva aquí en nuestra cárcel 3 semanas o algo así, yo lo voy a dejar libre bajo su propia promesa el día
It's
de hoy.
about time.
Now, be aware, sir, that does not mean that you can't be rearrested when they file a violation of probation affidavit, okay?
Ahora, señor, tiene que estar percatado del hecho de que puede que lo vuelvan a rearrestar cuando se presente el incumplimiento de la probatoria. ¿Está bien?
Sí.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Gracias,
Thank you, Your
señor.
Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Henry. Thank you, Ms. Hernandez. Have a good day.
You're welcome, Your Honor. May also
I
have a
think
good day.
that this place also doubles for a
Who's the last
church
person you
on
have
the
there in
weekends.
South County?
His name is Reddick Jimmy. He was an add-on.
Okay.
Come on. Damn,
Mr.
that was
Reddick,
straight
step on
sagging.
up, sir. You are
Yes,
here
ma'am.
charged with depriving an officer with means of communication and battery on a law enforcement officer. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am. Deprive. What that mean? Deprive.
Deprive.
Means you took away his ability to communicate.
What do you take his
Can
walkie-talkie
you
away?
afford to hire an attorney, sir?
No, ma'am. I can't.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender to represent you, sir. Give me 1 second.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Hey, how much time do they give you for
took
that
his
in
radio
Florida?
From his hand, that's what that means.
There it is.
May
Yep.
I ask a question? Is there any kind of way you could recommend them video? They said the cameras wasn't working. None of the
What up,
cameras was
Jen?
working. And I'm
Well, I
trying to
can't-
figure.
Can't recommend video, sir. I mean,
Wow.
I mean,
What up, Matthew?
One of the cameras had to be working for me to take. I mean,
What up, Harley?
somebody had to say something.
so you have an attorney. You can talk with your attorney about that. I do find probable cause for each of the charges, sir. Your bonds are going to be set at $5,000 on each count, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Your next court date is going to be on May the 12th at 8:15. Now, apparently you have a hold for F-Corps.
Yes, ma'am. I do.
That's going to be a no bond on that. So just so you're aware, if you technically have a no bond hold for F-Corps, okay? Your next
Yes,
court date
ma'am.
on this case will be May 12th at 8:15. Thank
What
you,
up,
sir.
Jewel?
Thank you very much. You have a good day.
Too. Thank you, South County. Brooke Addison.
Sanderson, put the
Yes.
cameras on. My understanding is the alleged victim does want to have contact with her, so I was gonna ask for that.
Yes, thank you.
I can't see nothing.
Miss Addison, you're here charged with domestic violence battery, ma'am. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Do you afford to hire one?
No, ma'am.
I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charge. Your bond is going to be set at $5,000, ma'am. If you do bond, you will be on pretrial release. Conditions will include you contacting pretrial services in person immediately upon your release, and then every Monday you will call in. You will not use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. You will be permitted contact with the alleged victim, but there is to be no violent contact. Do you understand, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Next court date will be April 24th at 8:30, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Melissa Cook,
Yes, ma'am.
you are here charged with petty theft. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
You will afford to hire one.
No, ma'am.
And I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charge. Your bond is set at $5,000, ma'am. Your next court date is May 12th at 8:15. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Taboni Daniels.
Sanderson.
Taboni.
This is another case.
Daniel's bonded.
Daniels bonded?
Yes, ma'am.
We were here yesterday to follow cause challenge, but
Oh.
so she's bonded on this charge.
Apparently.
Okay. He had a fugitive case also yesterday.
Kevin Fulcomer,
Yes, Your Honor.
if you are here charged with domestic violence battery with prior conviction and criminal mischief, do you have an attorney?
No, Your Honor.
Do you afford to hire one?
No, Your Honor.
And I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charges. Your bonds are going to be set at $10,000 on the domestic violence battery.
Agua.
$5,000 on the criminal mischief. If you do bond, ma'am, you will be on pretrial release. Conditions will include you contacting pretrial services in person immediately upon your release, and then you will call in every Monday. You will not use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. You will have absolutely no contact with the alleged victim in this case. You will stay 500 foot away from the victim, their home, vehicle, place of employment, and or school at all times. Do you understand, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your next court date will be May the 12th at 8:15, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayla Hinks,
Yes, ma'am.
if you're here charged with loitering or prowling, do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Afford to hire one?
No,
Can you afford to hire one?
no, ma'am.
And I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charge. Your bond is set at $250. Your next court date is April 24th at 8:30, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheryl Sharp. Ms. Sharp, you are here charged
Approaching.
with trespass and occupied structure conveyance, 2 separate counts. Ms. Sharp, do you have somewhere you can live? Do you have some family that you can live with?
Oh, damn, she's handcuffed.
Excuse me?
You have family that you can live with?
So I do live with my family. I live in one of my communities. And with that, what did you say the charge was? Could you repeat that, please?
Princess, we're doing job interviews for
counts,
Amazon,
trespass,
Walmart,
An occupied structure or conveyance.
CVS.
Okay, so no, I really didn't trespass.
Okay,
What I
don't say,
did,
ma'am.
What
don't
are my
say
lives,
anything
Peachy?
about the charges. I'm simply asking
Okay.
you a question. If you have family that you can live with.
I live with my family.
But I don't
live
think she's
in
gonna
my
get the
home.
job though.
Okay, who do you live with?
I live with my kids and I live with my kids and other people.
Other
My
people.
Have
kids
any,
and-
do you have any adults in the home?
Yes, I do.
Who are the other adults?
I have
What up, I'm not the
Dwayne
one?
Sharp Senior,
Dwayne Sharp, okay?
and I have my other daughter also.
Other
I
daughter.
have
Okay, now, who
a
is
daughter,
Dwayne
but I
Who is Dwayne Sharp Senior to you?
Her lover.
Dwayne Sharp Senior. He's my kid's father.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, so you live with your child's father?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Your Honor, I would ask to be appointed on this case.
So I'm gonna appoint you. I'm just
Okay.
trying to figure out whether I'm gonna let her out or if I'm gonna
She's
keep her in.
found incompetent to proceed
I know.
recently, so I would ask for ROR on
I'm aware.
nonviolent crimes.
But, you know, it doesn't do me much good to let her out if she's gonna keep getting arrested.
Can I say something, please?
No, ma'am,
No.
you can't. Do you know Puff and Stuff? You're not allowed to be there. Do you know that?
Beware.
Puff and Stuff. Puff
Puff-
Stuff.
Puffin stuff? Sounds like a
On
good
Highway
time.
27 in Haines City. Are you aware that you're not allowed to be there?
Anybody ever in
Is that yes or no?
that lives in
Are
Polk County? Have you
saying I
guys ever
can't
been there?
say something or I can't say nothing?
No, I'm asking you a question. You have to stay away from Puff Stuff. Do you understand
Puff
that?
stuff? Shh, sign me up. Party
With
for
all
two?
due respect, I hear you
What up, Vic?
saying it to me.
I hear you. But
All right, Ms.
But-
Sharp, I'm gonna find probable cause for your charges. I'm gonna appoint the public defender to represent you, ma'am. I'm gonna hold you at a no bond until I see you on Thursday in my division M8. We're gonna put her in front of me at 8:30 on Thursday morning. So I'll see you on Thursday morning, ma'am, in front of me. All right, I'll see you then.
those are my businesses and they can't tell me not to be there. Thank
Tavon
you.
Smith,
that's right. Tell him, eh? Tell him.
Businesses.
if
And
you
they
will.
Keep trying to prolong me here and keep me away from my home either.
Mhm.
They ask me
Tavon
to sit
Smith.
behind-
Bonded.
With all due respect, but don't count.
Charnel Spence.
My type of lady right there.
Ms. Spence, you are here charged with domestic violence, battery, and possession of methamphetamine. Do you have an attorney, ma'am?
What up, Tracy?
No,
Do you afford to hire one?
no,
And I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charges. Your bonds are going to be set at $5,000 on each count. If you do bond, ma'am, you are going to be on pretrial release.
Thank you for the
Conditions will
follow,
include
G-Town.
you contacting pretrial services in person immediately upon your release, and then you will call in
What up,
every
T-Main?
Monday. You will not use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. You will have no contact with the alleged victim in this case. You will stay 500 foot away from the victim.
500
home, vehicle,
foot?
place of employment, and or school.
That always
For the
gets a
two of you
reaction out of
living
me.
together,
From the
Yes.
Philippines.
we'll give you
Hell
one
yeah.
opportunity within 48 hours of your release from custody to return to the residence with a law enforcement escort to retrieve your personal belongings. You're also going to be subjected to random urinalysis at your own self-pay. Do you understand these conditions, ma'am?
Yes.
Next court date is May the 12th at 8:15. Thank you.
Next.
Christelle Voltaire.
What up, Christy?
Defendant's
Likewise.
office. I have a stipulation with the state that there's no probable cause and she should be released from her own recognizance on the DV assault charge. I would ask for straight free release on the other charges. She is her sister were both
What up,
arrested in
Brayden?
this incident. And I don't believe she has any prior record and
Yeah,
officer was
Lisa.
unable to determine a primary aggressor.
Ms. Voltaire, you're here charged with domestic violence battery and domestic violence simple assault. Do you have an attorney?
No.
Hire one.
No.
And I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for the domestic violence battery. It is stipulated that there is no probable cause for the domestic violence assault. You will be ROR'd on that count, ma'am. On the domestic violence battery, I am going to straight pretrial release you. Conditions will include you contacting pretrial services in person immediately upon your release, and then every Monday you will call in. You will not use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. You will have no contact with the alleged victim in this case. You will stay 500 foot away from the victim, their home, vehicle, place of employment, and or school at all times. I will give you one opportunity within 48 hours of your release from custody to return to the residence with a law enforcement escort to retrieve your personal belongings. Do you understand?
Yes.
And your next court date is going to be on May the 12th at 9:00. Thank you. Tyler Adams.
All right. Anybody single in here looking
Tyler
for somebody to date? We got a
South
wide
County.
variety of different individuals that you
Apparently
guys
not.
could choose from. Wheelchair bound, oxygen tanks, one-legged, two-legged,
He wasn't at
whatever
South
you want.
County.
Your Honor, he's not here. His housing shows in Soma that he's at South County.
Hey, what up, Irina? The dating game, if you will.
Put Mr. Adams on for tomorrow. Thomas Aliato.
Yes. Yes,
You
Your
are
Honor.
here charged with DUI, your fourth or subsequent offense. Do you have an attorney?
How many offense?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire one?
No, ma'am.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charge. Your bond is going to be set at
Fourth?
$50,000, sir. If you do bond, you are going to be on pretrial release. Conditions will include you contacting pretrial services in person immediately upon your release, and then every Monday. You will not consume or possess any alcohol, nor go into any bars,
What up,
lounges, or
Steffi?
package stores. You'll be subjected to random breath testing and warrantless searches and seizures. You will not operate a motor vehicle at any time.
They got to put the internet, the ignition lock on his car. So he has to blow before
Thank you.
getting behind the wheel.
50,000.
50.
5-0. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Jeremiah Falau.
Sandra Smith, Public Defender's Office. I didn't see any prior record for him in Florida, and I would ask the court to take that into consideration.
That fool, I'm guessing he's going to go to prison. His fourth one
Sir,
in
you are
Florida?
charged with resisting an officer without violence and domestic violence battery on a person over 65.
Awa.
Do you have an attorney?
No.
Can you afford to hire one?
No.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charges. I am going to straight pretrial release you on these cases, sir. Conditions will include you contacting pretrial services in person immediately upon your release, and then every Monday you will call in. You will not use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. You're going to be permitted to have contact with the alleged victim, but there is going to be no violent contact. sir. Do you
Permitted?
understand that?
Understood.
So your next court date will be May the 7th at 8:15, sir.
That's how people get unalived right there,
William Barr.
permitting it.
Sanderson's Public Defender's Office. We've already been appointed on this case yesterday. I believe we somehow missed the second DV battery prior conviction out of his other, he's been charged with another DV battery prior conviction. and the
Another
gang
one?
assault that we handled yesterday.
Ah,
I
wow.
just asked for a presumptive bond on this charge, and any pre-trial conditions previously imposed yesterday remain in effect.
Okay, so it just got forgotten.
We overlooked it, I believe.
All right, so sir, you were here yesterday and somehow this charge just got overlooked. So
Overlooked.
I am gonna find probable cause for this charge, appoint a public defender, and she set, what did she set the bond at?
What kind of kangaroo court is this? How are you going to overlook a charge? Don't they write them down?
Hold on a second.
Doesn't it come up on the docket, if you will? I mean, I'm no legal expert here, you know, but something ain't adding up right here. Definitely not a court I would want to be at if they're forgetting charges and whatnot.
Access to it right now.
Timu
I would like
court.
to say 5,000, but that may not be right.
Okay, so we're gonna set this bond at $10,000, sir, as well. And then you will be on the same pretrial release conditions that were imposed yesterday. Do you
What's up,
understand,
Kristen?
sir?
This is Polk County, Florida, if you will.
Sir, thank you.
Nah, this is Polk County, Florida.
Sean Boucher,
Thank you for that, Daily Heart.
sir, you are here on a warrant out of Indian River County. It's for failure to pay child support. You do have a purge amount of $1,500. If you can afford to pay that, sir, you can purge from Polk County. If not, we're gonna notify Indian River that you are ready for pickup and ask them to come and get you. If they do not pick you up by April 13th at 1 o'clock, you'll be brought back to first appearance, okay, sir?
You are the
Yes, ma'am.
father.
Jeffrey Bell,
He was just
You
escorted
are the
out of,
father.
the courtroom for being disruptive. Can we bring him back tomorrow?
no, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Mr. Bell is here charged with camping on public property. I do find probable cause for the charge. I'm not gonna appoint counsel at this time. Bond is set at $250. He'll go on to arraignment on April the 24th at 8:30.
Damn,
Mr.
son,
Melvin
where'd you find
Carrasquel
this?
Fernandez.
I've seen
Yes,
this
ma'am.
from the defender's office. The alleged victim wants to have contact with him, so I was gonna ask for that.
I didn't see that. Oh.
That he kind of looks like Lex Luthor
Somehow makes that sheet.
from the
All
Superman
right, so
series,
sir,
if you
are
will.
here charged with resisting an officer without violence and domestic violence battery. Do you have an attorney?
He's looking kind of rough, though.
Do you afford to hire
What up,
one?
Panda?
No, ma'am.
What up, U.S.
Sir, I will
Army?
appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charges. Your bonds are as follows: 1,000 on the resisting, 5,000 on the domestic violence. If you do bond, you
wow.
will be on pretrial release, sir. Conditions will include you contacting pretrial services in person immediately upon your release, and then every Monday. You will not use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. You'll be permitted contact with the alleged victim, but there's to be no violent contact. Do you understand, sir?
No violent contact.
Your
That's not
next
gonna
court
stop
date is
any
April 24th
violent
at
contact.
8:30. Thank you, sir. Kelvin Fernandez.
Hello, Governor.
Mr. Fernandez, you are here charged with driving under the influence and then driving under the influence with a blood alcohol.
Calvin's bonded, I'm sorry, Your Honor. Fernandez, you're listed as being bonded. Okay, come on up.
Well, he's still in jail.
Mr. Fernandez, you're here charged with driving under the influence and driving under the influence with a blood alcohol content of 0.15 or higher.
0.15?
Do you have an attorney?
No,
And you afford to hire one?
no.
Hey, what up, Uncle Cash?
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charges. Your bonds are going to be set at $3,000 in each count, sir. Your next court date will be April 24th at 8:30.
Drinking and driving is always against the law. Unless you're doing it in your dreams.
Francisco Pascual,
Chale.
you are here charged by information.
Information.
With driving under the influence, third within 10 years.
Third?
Driving while license suspended or revoked, second. And then failure to submit to a breath test. Do you have an attorney?
No.
Awa.
Or to hire one?
No.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause based upon the information that's been charged in this case. What do you mean he's placed on pretrial release, same case?
You know, I would point out that there's a bond's already set, but for some reason they took them away from him.
Okay. All right, so sir, your bonds are gonna be as follows: $5,000 on the DUI, 1,000 on the driving while license suspended, 1,000 on the refusal. If you do bond, sir, you will be back on pretrial release with the same exact conditions, which were you're not to possess or consume any alcohol or enter into any bars, lounges, or package stores.
This guy's
You'll be
definitely
subjected to
dedicated.
Random breath testing, sir, at your own self-pay. Your next court date is June. Wow, that's a long time. Why is it so far out?
And then since it was previously said,
I got court in 2 weeks already.
Okay, well, hang on a second. Hang on, sir.
Hold on, sir. Shut your mouth. Don't tell the court how to run the court. We'll tell you
June 25th.
how we run the court.
Ridiculously.
Hey, Mickey, the man. Thank you. Highly appreciate it. And for those of you that are new here, this is Polk County, Florida. This is live court. This is happening in real time. These are not actors. This is not AI. These are real people with real problems that got caught, if you will. Kind of sucks when you get caught nowadays because you end up on social media when you got people like me finding streams like this. So, hey, think about it before you're out there committing crime, especially if you're in Polk County, Florida, because you might end up right here, live and direct. And if you haven't, please hit that follow button. It's free. It's free 99. I don't ask for gifts, but I do ask for anything that's free.
I don't know how it's set for a pretrial conference on that date, on June 25th.
I love anything that's free. Tapping the screen is free. Hitting that follow is free. Dropping a comment is free. Sending this stream to your mom is free. So shoot it.
We could set
It's free for you. It's free for me.
Friday. That should be the next step before the.
Yeah, let's do that. So we're going to give you a court date this Friday, sir, because June 25th is too far away. All right, so we're going to set you.
Hey, what up,
to judge this
señorita?
Friday, okay, sir?
I can
So
still
if you
get
bond, yeah, you can bond, but if you bond out, just make sure that you come to
What up,
court
hot
on
mess?
Friday, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, thank you, sir. Melvin Jenkins.
What up, hon?
I'm going to be heard regarding one of the charges.
Okay, so PC issue.
In a way, yes.
All right, sir, you are here charged with grand theft of a firearm, possession of firearm by a convicted felon, unlawful carrying of a concealed weapon, one of them being a firearm, unlawful carry of a concealed weapon, one of them being a knife, and then possession of ammunition by a convicted felon. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Do you afford to hire one?
No, ma'am.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender to represent you. Ms. Smith?
It's really he's charged with both possession.
Hey,
of
I'm Luis
firearms
Harvey, if you
itself
will.
for the gun, and also possession of a weapon or ammo for the knife in the same incident.
Hey, how did Grandpa steal anything?
790.23. So the case law still applies to that, to any or all.
Hey, what's up with this guy right here?
To apply to these charges. I know we're not at the filing stage yet, but I would ask on the possession of weapon or ammo that he either be ROR to get a low bond on that, since the state is going to only be able to file on one of those counts based on the statute and the case law of State v. Whaley.
Withdrawals?
I thought
I thought he was practicing for craps. I thought he was getting ready to throw some dice.
In his right front pocket.
It was a knife.
It was a knife, Your Honor.
It wasn't ammo. It's a totally
It
different.
says additional ammo was located in the right front pocket of Melvin jeans.
What up,
Well, I
Molly?
have a better argument then. that obviously they.
I mean, they did find a knife and a firearm, but
This is my position is they're only gonna be able to charge one count, so I would just ask for, ROR or lower bond on one of those charges.
He's punching his demons. You ain't right.
Your Honor, as we are at just the probable
What up, Megan?
cause determination phase.
Yeah,
the state
Jerome, they
does
did.
believe that this
They've been
affidavit
suspended since
establishes
last week.
probable cause for each of the 5 counts. If anything, the state would be asking for higher bonds in this case based on the defendant's extensive violent criminal history, including a 2004 conviction for both manslaughter as well as, I believe the affidavit says, homicide.
Manslaughter and
This is not
homicide?
the first time he has been charged with carrying concealed weapons, as he has a 2015 conviction for that.
And he's on the street?
And burglary conviction going back to 1989. So based on that, as well as the statements he makes, in
Maybe,
this
Ava,
case, knowing
maybe.
that he should not have a firearm and or a knife on him, the state is requesting elevated bonds.
anything additional, Ms. Smith?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, your bonds will be as follows. On the grand theft of a firearm, $25,000. Possession of firearm by a convicted felon, $50,000.
What up, 7?
Unlawful carry of a concealed weapon,
Why?
$25,000. Unlawful carry of a concealed weapon, $25,000. Possession of a weapon or ammunition by a convicted felon, $25,000.
That's like $1 million right there.
Bond, sir, you will be on pretrial conditions with GPS house arrest, sir.
150K?
Conditions will include you will remain in your home other than attorney appointments, court appointments, or medical appointments. Your next court date will be May the 12th at 8:15, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
They better lock up them fingers.
Danielle Martinez Figueroa.
Sanderson Public Defender's Office. I didn't see any prior record for him, at least in Florida.
Well, this one, I didn't see this one as an assault. I saw this one as a battery.
He's actually, the actual affidavit says battery. I don't know why the docket shows it.
130?
My affidavit had it as a battery, but on the docket it shows assault. So I don't know how that happened, but I didn't see any
Because
prior.
my affidavit says assault.
Oh, I had crossed it out and put battery. So, but anyway, the alleged victim does want to have contact with him. So I was going to ask for no violent contact with the alleged victim and also report to factor in that he may have no prior record.
Why do we have an affidavit that says assault and everybody else has an affidavit that says battery?
And just for the record, Your Honor, the affidavit I have is for an M1 DV battery.
Yeah,
They are disorganized.
Battery also, and he's booked in on a DV battery, so I don't know where the assault came from.
Damn, we got a woman beater right here. Let's go ahead and give him a flush, if you will. Drop one, flush one.
I've
Why?
been really bad about that lately.
They just got arrested. Yeah, this is initial appearance, so they probably got arrested within the last 24 hours. In Florida, I'm not sure how fast you have to be in front of the judge, but if it's anything like Maricopa County and Arizona, they got 24 hours.
That the one I have, this is an amended
Shout out to
affidavit
Detroit.
to fix the charge from simple assault DV to simple battery DV.
Okay,
So perhaps you have an older affidavit.
apparently. Okay. Well, but,
Man,
I mean, when
he's
I read it, I'm like, this is not
fixing
an
his
assault,
shirt
this is
up,
a
you know?
battery, so.
Now, this is Polk
All
County,
right, so
Florida.
Mr. Martinez Figueroa, you are here charged with domestic violence battery, sir. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Hey, I'm Luis Harvey, if you will.
No, ma'am.
Everyone?
Pontiac, Michigan.
No, ma'am.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for the charge, criminal history.
Well, in Florida, they hold court every day of the week, 7 days a week,
Sorry, I'm
24/7.
gonna straight pretrial release you on this case. Conditions will include you contact pretrial services in person immediately upon your release, and then you will call in every Monday. You will not
Hey,
use
thank you.
possession,
I do talk a
carry
lot. Thank you for
firearms, guns,
noticing.
Weapons, ammunition, or knives. You'll be permitted contact with the alleged victim, but there is to be no violent contact. You understand, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Your next court date is May the 7th at 8:30. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So Florida and Arizona, they hold court on the weekends.
Violation probation charges. They're mostly out of Alachua County. I think one is from Orange. I just want to waive the reading of all the counts he's on probation for.
So you have a new charge here of driving while license suspended or revoked, and then you have violations
Thank
of
you, Jaden.
probation out of Alachua and Orange County. Do you have an attorney on your new charge, sir?
No, I do not.
You afford to hire one?
No, I can't.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause. On your new charge, sir, your bond is going to be set at $250. On the violation of probations, you will be held no bond. Your next court date will be April 24th at 8:30, sir. Thank you.
That fool ain't going
Can I
nowhere.
ask a question. Do I have to wait till the other counties come get me, or what am I doing?
You sit in
Yeah,
jail. That's
you
what
have
you're
to
doing.
Bond on the new charge or resolve it. And then once you do that, then we'll notify the other counties that you're ready for pickup.
Okay.
Nah,
thank you.
Jen, not today.
Malachi Mobley.
MAGA,
Mr. Mobley,
MAGA
you are here
tie.
on violation of probation affidavit. Do you have an attorney, sir?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire one?
No, ma'am.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your,
Hey, he's getting ready to shoot
on the warrant
craps.
Signed by Judge Harb. You are going to be held no bond until you see a judge on May the 4th at 8:30, sir. Thank you. Taiwan Payne.
Sanderson Public Defender's
He's
Office.
about to go to Atlantic City
The
and
victim does want to have contact with him, so I was going to ask for that.
Mr. Payne, you're here
It's free.
charged with domestic violence battery, sir. Do you have an attorney?
why?
No, ma'am.
Afford to hire one.
No, ma'am.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charge. However, I am going to straight pretrial release you on this case. Conditions will include you contacting pretrial services in person immediately upon your release, and then every Monday you will call in. You will not use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. You'll be permitted contact with the alleged victim, but
What
there
up,
is
yo?
to be no violent contact, sir. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, your next court date is May the 6th at 8:30, sir. Thank you. Pedro Quezada.
I wonder if he's hit snake eyes
Sir,
yet.
you are here on violations of probation as well as new charges of resisting an officer without violence and driving while license suspended or revoked. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire one?
No, ma'am.
Sir,
Can't
I
even
will
afford
appoint the
gas right
office of
now.
the Public defender. I do find probable cause for the violations as well as the new charges. On the violations, you will be held no bond, sir. On the resisting, it is $1,000. Driving while license suspended or revoked, $250. Your next court date, sir, will be May the 4th at 8:30. Thank you, sir. Samuel Reyes.
Samuel Reyes,
ma'am.
come on down.
Reyes,
Samuel.
you are here on a new charge of driving while license suspended or revoked, and then you have violations of probation. You have an attorney.
No, ma'am.
You afford to hire one.
No, ma'am.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for the violations as well as the new charge. On the new charge, sir, your bond will be set at $250. On the violations, you will be held no bond. Your next court date will be on
Raven, nah,
April
not today.
24th at 8:30, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Guy Sergeant,
Yeah,
sir, you are here charged with trespass. Do you have an attorney?
no,
You afford to hire one.
no.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charge. Yeah, this is the one I couldn't find the charge.
And I know what some of you are thinking right now. My tax dollars are going to hire a public defender. I'd rather my tax dollars go to
Give me
this
1 second,
than sending
sir.
it to some other country and them getting free health care. If you know, you know. I'm absolutely fine with that here,
Oops, got it. Just let me read this real quick.
if you will. What up, Kyle? How's it going? And for anybody that's stepping in, this is live court. This is going to be Polk County, Florida. These are real life cases right now. They're in front of the judge right now. Hey, what up, Rody? How's it going? Or Roddy?
Go down. There we go. Okay. All right, sir, you are here charged with trespass on property other than structure or conveyance. I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charge. Your bond is set at $1,000 and your next court date is April 24th at 8:30.
Hey, what up, Coffee?
Clinton Sutton,
Yes.
you are here charged with battery on a person 65 years of age or older. Do you have an attorney?
That's no bueno.
Or to hire one?
Free health care and school. That's right, Chad.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do
That's
find
an outrage.
probable cause for your charge. Your bond is set at $7,500. If you do bond, you will be on pretrial
What up,
release.
crypto?
Conditions will include you contacting pretrial services in person immediately upon your release, and then you will call in every Monday. You will not use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. You will have no contact with the alleged victim in this case. You will stay 500 foot away from the victim's home, vehicle, place of employment, and/or school at all times. Do you understand, sir?
Yes.
Next court date, yes.
He was in Missouri. Would he be allowed to live in Missouri pending?
He's under.
Absolutely not.
And I don't know if he has belongings at the house that he was residing at, if he needs one time to get his stuff out of his relative's house.
That guy's gonna be playing the Cliffs flute in
The
jail.
home where the victim lives to get your belongings.
I don't believe so, but I'm not for sure.
I'll give you
I don't
one
know if I got any,
opportunity.
I don't know if I got anything else there.
I'll give you one opportunity, sir, within 48 hours of your release from custody to return to the residence with a law enforcement escort to retrieve your personal belongings, okay?
Okay,
Your next
thank you.
court date is May the 12th at 8:15, sir.
What up,
Thank
Beth?
you. Jerome Thomas.
He's a
Thomas, you are here charged with 2 counts of assault on a law enforcement officer. Do you have an attorney, sir?
No.
You afford to hire one.
That fool has an oxygen tank.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your charges. Wait a minute.
How
It's
the
not
hell?
2 counts of assault. I'm sorry. It's 1 count of assault and 1 count of battery on a law enforcement officer.
How the hell
The
did he?
assault on a law enforcement officer will be $1,000. On the battery on a law enforcement officer will be $5,000. Your next court date is May the 12th, sir, at 8:15. Thank you, sir.
How the hell are you gonna assault an
Ron
officer
Townsend,
and not get winded when you're in an oxygen tank?
you are here charged with possession of paraphernalia and possession of cocaine. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Look forward to hire one.
No, ma'am.
Sir, I will appoint the office of the public defender. I do find probable cause for your 2 charges. Your bonds are set at $1,000 on the paraphernalia, $5,000 on the cocaine. Your next court date is May the 12th at 8:15, sir. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Man, he was hitting the pookie, if you will.
William Walters.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Walters, you are here because you failed to appear for your mandatory docketing. You were issued a no bond.
Oh, ma'am, I was in jail already whenever all that came up.
Well,
It's
you're gonna
me,
have to talk to your
Mario.
attorney about it because your attorney didn't bother to tell the judge that, so you have a no bond capias now.
Right.
You have, are you represented by counsel?
Yes, ma'am. They're over on, what's the name of the road over here?
I don't know.
Down the road over here, the main road.
Main Street? What?
98?
Yes, ma'am. The main road over here. I got two lawyers over here.
You got two
They
lawyers.
know that,
Okay, sir, stop talking, please.
Shut
Okay, so
your
it
mouth.
appears that you have the public defender. So the public defender that's in the courtroom right now is gonna let your attorneys know that you're in custody and have them come and talk to you. So, you're gonna be held no bond, sir. You do have a court date in 2 days. So Wednesday, you have a court date, okay? So we'll
Yes,
see if we
ma'am.
can get something taken care of for you by Wednesday, all right, sir?
Hey, what do you guys think
Yeah.
the guy in the wheelchair did? This guy. Oh no, is this another oxygen tank or is that the same guy?
Thank you guys so much.
What? Hey, hold on, don't go anywhere.
Honor.
I got
I'm
another
gonna-
court right now. We're gonna be heading on over to Maricopa County in the state of Arizona, which another life court is going on. Let me just get out of here.